to install the DWM indicator. DWM stands for daily, weekly, monthly range, and it comes with alerts as well, which is quite cool. So you click the link in Telegram and you click download. You can click that one or that one, and it'll come to your computer. So what you need to do is put that file into MetaTrader 4. So come to File, Open Data folder, MQL4, Indicators, and then you put that exe file, ex4 file into here. So it was in downloads, wasn't it? So we can open a new window, and there. So we just put that in there, and yeah, that's where it goes. Okay, so that's how you install it. So it's dead simple. Insert indicators. We'll just use UJ. We use like a fairly clean chart there. The support resistance levels, S or C's there as well. So custom DWM ranges. So you keep the default settings. You can maybe change the font size if you wanted to. It's up to you. That's that. So click OK, and it tells you overbought, oversold levels. So this is your weekly range high, so I wouldn't imagine we should probe higher, and likewise you wouldn't expect price to go below the monthly range low, so we can see more information. Be very surprised to see anything exceed the monthly range. It can exceed the weekly range, but you know, that's how you install it, so that's quite easy. You can do daily range on there as well if you wanted to, so indicator lists, DWM, daily range true. Oh, it's probably because I'm on the daily chart, that's probably why. I'm on the daily chart, so that's why maybe. Yeah, so if you want to see the daily ranges, you have to come to a smaller time frame. So there's your ADR, your average daily range low there. So could show you EJ because this is how I entered here. So you know, actually I entered here ish. So it was a good one because we had exceeded the weekly range high yesterday, and obviously because we got a new range high, because you know the price action was pretty bonkers, and we had exceeded the old weekly range high, which is around about there. I entered knowing that we'd exceeded, and it did fall quite well. I've exited now, so it's it's a good way to trade because ranges are mathematical, and it's taken a lot of the guesswork out. Whether or not we're going to get that SLC below or going to get the one above. The one above should be safe because it would mean that we're above the weekly range high, for example. That one's possible because we wouldn't have exceeded the average daily range. And what happens when you do, when price does break any one of these supports or resistances, you get a pop-up notification on your terminal. So that's that. So hopefully it's useful. It's quite easy to install, and there's like an example how you might want to use it and how to target your liquidity areas. So hopefully it helps.